I'm Scott Pinkerton, Business Director for Control Solutions, and today we're introducing Stryker Wasp and Hornet spray. Brand new product for Control Solutions. Just came off the line for the very first time 3 days ago. Here we have an active wasp nest with active wasps, and we're going to knock it out with Stryker Wasp and Hornet. So just to test the distance today, I'm going to take a few steps back. We're using, this is a 0.1% perlethrin. We're about 15 feet right here. I just walked off. So let's see how fast we go. Ready? Let's come take a look. Got him from the distance. Not going anywhere. Good coverage. There's a dead one. 2 more dead ones. Couldn't fly 1 centimeter after we hit them. Dropped them. Game over. Stryker Wasp and Hornet.